Hi there, my name is Sarah. I'm a kinesiologist from the Neuromotion Victoria Clinic, and I'm here to talk about our wide, high, low tables at the clinic.
Neuromotion has high-low tables that are extra wide to allow for a large range of functional mobility exercises.
Okay, some features of this is that we have a hole so someone can put their face through if they're lying on their stomach. It comes up all the way up here like this. It can come down all the way down. Adjust the height of this table to assist clients with an easier transfer onto the bed. We can bring them up to practice some high sitting, which is really awesome to get to work towards standing.
At times, the therapist will kneel behind a client to practice sitting balance and weight shifting, and other times the client will need the extra space to practice rolling or kneeling activities.